My name is Greg Bartelt. I'm the owner and founder of Vogue Furniture. We incorporated in 1977 when I graduated from high school, and we've been going ever since. Our business philosophy, our manufacturing philosophy is extremely similar to what it was originally. Individuals, craftsmen, build these pieces.
My name's Madison, and I'm with Vogue Furniture, and I am a project manager. So for me, I think the biggest thing is our passion from every individual in this company. Everybody is an absolute expert at their trade and at their skill, and they're passionate about it. We're a prototype shop through and through, so every single project that we do is unique and different. What I think that's unique about working with Sam Beauford is students are making the decision and a commitment to take a year of their life and spend it in Adrian honing their craft. I think that commitment shows their passion for the trade is completely different than anywhere else that we've received postgraduates from. I think that you guys do a really wonderful job blending traditional techniques with modern design and also setting students up for newer technologies that are coming out and just the ability to be open. The 3 students that we've placed are doing incredible, and so I think that really shines.
What I most enjoy is coming in and having the opportunity to work with the quality level of people that we have. And Sam Beauford recently provided us with 3 of them. And we feel so fortunate to have them. You can't teach creativity. I think you can teach skills, and that's what you're doing. And judging from what we've seen, you're already starting off with a creative individual. What role does Sam Beauford play in the industry? Very, very important role. Because to be able to hire, again, hiring 3 people that I have the feeling will be here for a very long time.